Needs the red 3 to get out of the way, which it has done. Ruiz is 1 apiece on table 2.
Not too steep. This is a result of what he did.
Come off the rail. It's not like he gained much positional play. As you said, it's been a long week for him.
Chua, obviously in good condition physically as well, because he has played phenomenal all week.
You got Capito, the current UK Open champion. SVB, he's our Premier League champion from...
Chua left to pick up the pieces and going to do a very good job of it, we predict. Wants to get off the rail here. Bite you pretty bad. It's got to hit it clean, come around. That he's done.
Made the 1, made another ball, and he's got to look at the 2.
Put a little zippity doodah onto it, and I think he is going to arrive safely.
And who can blame him?
I really think it's just, I mean, this is just his style, right? Like, he just constantly
Ranos
working.
didn't make the trip to the European Open. I think he struggled to get his visa in time. It was a great week when the Philippines, Chua and Aranas won the World Cup of Pool in Spain. Not last season, it was the season before. Two-0 Chua.
All right, that'll do. Over the pink. And is this real awkward? I think he's finished quite well. A nice shot by Yap. Jason Shaw just stepped in. Jason?
Pretty good. But overall, I'm hitting the ball sweet. Playing really good. I can just get it and find the break. I think I'll be more dangerous. But yeah, like I said, there's plenty more matches to go. So hopefully I can get to the final 6 and then go again.
Decided to play for the 7 in the side. Yeah, maybe so. Yeah, listen, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the shot choice from Yap.
Myself, he probably just concerned about getting straight on the 7 and then having to deal with the 8. So,
And he's off the board. Sure to break.
doesn't want to hit the 9, but it might work out. It wasn't by design.
Yeah, nice shot there.
Looks like he's leveled out to power forward. No, he could hold very easily.
That's the thing with Chua and Capito. When they're in and the balls are all there. Three. Wow. Straight in the heart of the pocket.
Just banking this up and away. Not going to get all the cover, I don't think.
Over on table 2. Beats Ruiz 5 racks to 3. Now Neuhauser moves up. Yeah, Dwang's on 10 points, so he's actually 2 points behind Shaw.
They played to the lower right and used the 7 and the 6. Wow, very passive in my opinion. This stage of the game, you're down through this event. The guys leading this event have been incredibly aggressive. Now, I will say, I've never seen more cross sides missed.
Yeah, listen, Chua's just missed a bank. But he's gone for it, hasn't he? He's gone for the right shot. He's attacked the table.
But when you have a two-way option, you best be taking it in this format or you're going to get eaten alive. 2 balls on the lower right. And that's going to lengthen out. He's not going to get any contact. Yeah, and he will be able to see a piece. It's all a matter of how much he can see, Carl. Pretty clever, trying to use the 9 the entire time. 8 as a backup. Changed his mind now.
Nearly got a Brucey. Brucey bonus, that is.
I'd rather go down firing than playing safe. Really kind of all toxified from the first shot on the blue too. And it all came back to him since game number 1, really. And Chua, that's what he does, takes advantage. A little bit of the 50-yard line here, but will not be an issue.
They're trying to put some serious damage into the next pocket. He decided not to go for the bank. And needs a bit of love here. Okay. Small chance.
Yeah, Carl's exactly right? Just a soft stun. If you get it anywhere close, the pocket, as we've seen, will typically take the ball, hit this right side of the red 3, and go up table with the cue ball. Oh, he's just going to fram it. He definitely went up table with the cue ball to the top left corner. Making himself stretch with ball in hand. Like many pros, a series of bunt strokes or dial-in strokes as we like to call them. There, it was almost non-existent with the shot prior.
He's going forward. Yeah, there's the bit of spin. Watch outside. Yeah, 4-2. Elvis Presley. He's loving life. Yeah, around the back with a cue ball.
Oh, that ball bit real well. That's a good sign. The drier states tables are going to play a little looser and slide a bit more versus the.
Yeah, this is a good strike. Comes past the potting angle, which he pots and he gets on the purple 5. This ball needs to go a little firmer. Yeah, does the pink 4 still drop in the side? It
Looks like he might draw out of this unless he wants to punch over to the short side. Yeah, I don't know if he wants to go to the 7. The problem with that is, and then he's too high on the 5, and that's why he's kind of stayed where he is. This looks pretty ideal, to be honest with you.
from being on the hill.
Maybe the luck just not going his way as of right now, but it did early in the week, so that will change. Look at this. At the most opportune time for Chua.
Watch the cue ball.
Yeah, actually a pretty fascinating hit right there. We could see how tight the line was to get past the green 6, and he's got position. Yeah, he needs that to carry.
Yeah, there you go. It does go in the side. Why did he play it so? He's on the 8 ball. As Yap ties it up. Wow, the cue ball dances with the side. It hits both points. He makes a couple of balls.
Needs to carry or stop. That'll work. I don't believe that's the pocket he was going for.
Yeah, he gets into the cue ball well, Yap.
You kind of like the way he feathers the tip onto the cloth.
Few players do that, don't they? Oh, lost the cue ball a little there, Friss. Oh, wow. Both points, Scott. This ain't going to get there.
No chance.
Still felt like he could have floated that in, just took the risk. Big discussions going on here in the booth. Jason Shaw sweating the action, and Johan Chua would do a favour to the field.
He was going to just drift the 6 in last minute. He wanted to ensure the make, so he let it go a little bit, but not near enough. What a gift for Johan Chua. He's got the extension out. He's stretched over the 9. Ooh, and tip come up there. Got distance, but boy, oh boy, can we ever imagine the guy at the table will miss this 9.
But with ball in hand, he should have been closer. This should have been guaranteed. There's a bit of distance. But it's in the middle of the pocket. Yap with a chance. He fails to get over the line. Big